Hello, I'm Chandra Reddy at Actifio. In the next few minutes, I will talk about what Actifio does. Actifio has a software platform that enables enterprises to consume data as a service in a private cloud or a public cloud. Let me unpack this for you. Every enterprise has mission-critical applications which invariably uses one of these databases: Oracle, SQL, HANA, MySQL, Postgres, and other databases. Enterprises also have two teams, critical teams: Dev and Ops. Dev teams are all about releasing applications very quickly so that they can reduce the time to market. Operations team is all about reducing the performance impact on applications, protecting, that is backing up the applications properly, and then recovering the applications as quickly as they can. So what Actifio software does is it integrates with all these mission critical applications via the native APIs and protects the data in an application consistent manner. But here's the best part. It does so in an incremental forever fashion, which means that after the first full backup, it only backs up the change blocks. It can do that because Actifio software has a patented technology that can know exactly what blocks have changed for all these mission critical databases. So what this does, this incremental forever backup window does, is it reduces the performance impact and the backup window by almost 20 times. Now, these backups have to be stored somewhere, our software. So this software can leverage any storage that you can assign to it, and it stores the backups in that storage. So that way you don't have any vendor lock-in. You can leverage any storage in private cloud or public cloud. Let's talk about recoveries. Now that you have the backups, you can go back to any point in time, like a DVR. You can rewind, and from that point in time, you can instantly mount and recover a multi-terabyte database, practically in minutes. Whether you have a 1 terabyte database or a 50 terabyte database, you can recover the database instantly in minutes. So that reduces your RTO. So now let's get to the exciting part. As I mentioned previously, the DevOps team is all about releasing applications very, very quickly, so that they can reduce the time to market. What they can do with Actifio software is they can provision virtual database clones instantly, in minutes, in a self-service manner in all their lower environments or test environments. Now, I call these virtual database clones virtual because they don't consume any extra storage. What Actifio software is doing is efficiently, it leverages the backups that it already has and provisions those databases over Fiber Channel, iSCSI, NFS, whatever protocol, to these test machines very, very quickly, practically in minutes. So now, when these testers are testing against these databases and when they eventually make some writes to these databases, we just need extra blocks of storage just to store those changes that they are making. So other than that, these database clones practically come for free from the backups that we already have. So all of this is great, but what if you have sensitive data in production databases? So what Actifio software also does is, on top of the backups that it already has, it has this workflow engine which allows it to mask the sensitive data, and only after that it will provision the virtual database clones into the lower environments. So that way, it not only reduces the time to market, but it also makes sure that the sensitive data does not get into the lower environments. So to summarize, what Actifio software does is it reduces the performance impact on your mission critical applications and the backup window by almost 20 times with its incremental forever backup technology for all these mission critical databases. It also reduces your RTO because of its instant mount and recovery technology with very, very high performance. And the best part is that it leverages the backups to provision dozens of database clones in the lower environments to reduce the time to market. I'm hoping that was helpful. Thank you.